hear me out first. Have you ever, like, as a tailor, have you experienced that sometimes you'll be sewing with your machines and your machine is working very, very well, and now the needle broke? Immediately you change the needle, you notice that your machine now has started having skipping stitches. Do you understand? And you are wondering, you are asking, what is the problem? What happened? Why is it skipping thread? Now, the truth there is that your machine already has a problem, but you did not know. You did not know probably because you don't know how to maintain a machine. Anytime anything happens to your machine, you usually call engineer. And what that engineer will do, that they will come and do one or two things, and the machine will now start sewing. Now, remember, the needle has not broken yet. So now, whenever the needle now breaks, you will now change it, and the problem will start again. Now, what really happened? There is one thing that actually happened. There are a lot of things that can happen, but this is one of the things that happen. Now, what happened is that your machine, due to consistent breakage of the needle, the needle rod, the rod that is connecting to the needle, it has shortened. You actually need to, like, by the side where you loosen that rod, loosen it and bring it down a little. Now, if you cannot do that, yes, you bring it down a little to correct that skipping. Now, if you cannot do that, all you have to do, simplest thing you have to do, is to just, when you fix that needle, fix it right, then make sure you bring the needle a little bit down. Don't bring it down too much, else it's going to bend. It's going to hit on the shuttle or the bobbin case. Do you understand? Bring it down a little, negligible. Now, check the machine. Most cases, you see that the stitch will not be perfect. Now, what happens to your machine is the timing. Like I've said, what causes this is because the moment your machine keeps breaking needle, it kind of like affects the needle rod. It pushes it a little bit inside. So, as an engineer is supposed to do, what an engineer is supposed to do is to help you push the needle, push the needle rod a little bit down. That the rod that you fix the needle on, push it a little bit down and tighten it, so that when you change your needle, you can change it anyhow you want it, and the machine will work very, very well. But what most of these engineers do is that they bring the needle down. Do you understand? So that when you change the needle, you will end up calling them always. So please, what you have to do, how to temporarily correct it, is by you bringing the needle down. Do you understand? You correct it. It's called the timing. The timing is actually wrong. So thanks, and may God bless you. For more info, for more tips, make sure you follow this particular page. God bless you.